Welcome to Mattie and Mae. In this video, I am playing around with scrunchie bow. I just put them in their little white outfits, and it's morning time. And this was my original vision, was to do a scrunchie with a bow. This is the original vision. But when I first made the scrunchie, it didn't come out quite so right. So now I've practiced and I've gotten better. So I was just trying to see, Mae is going to be a flower girl in an upcoming wedding. And so I am trying to see how I was going to do her headpiece and decorate it. And the colors are sage for the girls. And so I was just going to do a white scrunchie headband and do a sage and white silk or satin bow. And I was thinking about also putting a little scrunchie on her hand and putting a bow on there just because. And I'm gonna do Mattie the same, do her a scrunchie headband. And I was playing with like the sides, the shapes and the sizes, because a purple scrunchie was the first one I ever made with a bow, and I ended up not making it a headband. I ended up making it just something like a ponytail holder instead. And so this is actually, I was able to achieve my goal and make a headband scrunchie just for the extra decoration. So I'm just trying to see. I haven't completed it. I'm just trying it out because I was thinking I wanted 3 bands and I wasn't quite sure. So this is another day. I had her hair up in a ponytail with some twist, and I wanted to open up from Estee. I wanted to open up the package, and I was so excited, and I wanted the girls to open it up. And I've been waiting and waiting. Thank you so much. I got this package and I've been waiting and waiting for it, so I couldn't wait any longer. I'm like, let me just put the little headpiece. It was the end of the day and I didn't put their other bows in or something, and I just wanted to put in her little scrunchie. And I'm trying to include her sister in there, but she's all over the place. So this is from Etsy, and thank you from so many, let me see what it's called. From SewManyLabels. Etsy, SewManyLabels. I was like, look at those scissors. And so she is all in the camera. But what I did was uncut tags. So I wanted to put on the back of their bows, and I thought it was so cute. And it says M&M Bows. And I love it. I have to cut them individually, and because they are so small, you can get them cut or uncut, but because I requested them so small so that they can fit, they were uncut. So we're getting everything together and we're so excited. Thank you from the girls. We're so happy and encouraged with God's blessing. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.